Alright guys, so the knife is ready for heat treat. I don't grind the bevels in until after heat treat because it's a stainless steel and I need to clamp it up, so I like to leave it flat as is. That way I can get even clampage all the way around, and I'll just grind it afterwards. It's the easiest way to go about it from my experience. So let's heat treat. So I'm out of the tempering process. It was all nice, successful, nice straight knife. So we got a good base to work off of. So now on to the grinding. Alright guys, so we're done hand sanding. Everything got, I'd normally do my hand sands up to 220 grit. Make sure they're nice and straight and decent looking. And I think it looks pretty good with the scratches in there. So next up I'm going to be doing the handle with this elder burl, stabilized elder burl, which fits perfectly for what I want for my handle space. So I'm just going to go on ahead and slice it in two. Alright guys, so we're all glued up. It's been setting for a couple hours. Time to get this handle done. Alright guys, so the handle has been rough ground. All that's left to do is a lot of hand sanding to get it up to where I need to, but man, I'm really starting to like the shape of this handle. I'm starting to get down how to do it too. At first it looked easy to do, you know, shape handles, but getting that right feel to it, get the right shape, the right size, everything, it's trial and error. There's definitely been a lot of trial and error trying to figure out this handle style. But this is awesome. I love it. Alright guys, so the knife is done. The handle came out awesome. I already put a little bit of oil on it to make it pop. But yeah, this thing is gorgeous. The knife is done. It's a little dirty. I gotta wash it first. I just finished sharpening it. Let's do a little cut test. Like butter. And as you guys can see, this thing cuts like butter, glides right through the paper. Very happy with this, and I hope that the client this is going to is very happy with it as well. As always guys, thank you very much for watching. I greatly appreciate y'all, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.